Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draft a basic sleeve. All the measurements we are going to be using for this are listed on the screen, and so let's get into the video. The first thing we want to do is fold your pattern paper into two. I have already folded mine in this video. Then the next thing we want to do is draw your border line. So every measurement you are taking is from the border line. Now we are going to get our cap height. To get your cap height, we have to do a bust circumference divided by 12 plus 0.5. My bust circumference is 34, divided by 12 plus 0.5 is going to give me 3.3, and I'm going to be marking that from the start line. Now that we are done with that, there is a standard measurement of 7 from the cap that we had to take, and this measurement is where we impute our round arm circumference, or what we know as our arm circumference. Now that I've marked that, I'm going to go ahead to mark my cap to elbow and cap to wrist. Now let's take it back a bit. Remember the time where we did our armhole depth on our bodies? We did bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5. For me, it is 7.1, and we are going to be imputing that on the cap height line, as you can see me do in this video. Now the next thing you want to do is to use your ruler and connect it to that edge. So just follow what I'm doing in the video. Now I'm going to go ahead to impute my round arm circumference, my elbow circumference, and my wrist circumference. The next thing we want to do is take your curve and just place it the way I have placed it in this video. Just connect it down to the round arm circumference right from the cap height, as you can see. Then use your ruler to connect from the round arm circumference to your elbow, then from the elbow to the wrist. Now that we are done with that, let's move back to the top. We're going to take the midpoint of that straight line. Just like I am doing, you fold your tape into two and just mark the midpoint. From there, you go up 0.5 inch. Now you're going to take your curve and place it the way I am doing. Please do not go over the line, this start line that you can see. Do not go over it. Now you just use your pencil to connect from that edge to the 0.5 you went up with, and you turn your curve as you can see it. If you didn't get that, you can go back to watch it. Then you connect again back into the 0.5 that we took earlier. Now we are going to curve again, this time over the midpoint. The first one we did was for our back sleeve. The next one we are going to do is for our front sleeve. So you want to place your curve in a way that it goes over the midpoint on that straight line. You're going to connect it back to that edge. Make sure it doesn't go above the start line. You're going to flip your curve the way I've done. Then you connect it back to the midpoint. Please place your curve well. Look at the way I am placing it in this video, and like that is how you do it. So that is our front sleeve. We are done with our sleeve drafting, and next is to cut. You see the way I cut it? The next thing we want to do now is to cut in a way that we are not cutting the back and the front together. So first we are going to cut the back sleeve first. Please do not make the mistake of cutting your front sleeve first. After we have done that, the next thing we are going to do is to open our pattern and cut out the front sleeve. You can see where I'm cutting it from. I'm just going to cut out that back pattern away, and that is it. You already have your sleeve pattern. Now you see that after you have cut it out, the front sleeve is not the same as the back. It is deeper. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you label your sleeve so you don't mix it up when you are cutting and when you want to attach it to your bodies. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and please do not forget to like and drop a comment. See you on my next video.